welcome you all in Introduction of Power Electronics subject. I, Mr. Suraj Mahajan, Assistant Professor from Electronics and Communication Engineering, TGPCET Nagpur. I welcome you all in Introduction of Power Electronics lecture from subject Power Electronics. Now, Power Electronics basically a very important subject from GATE point of view, government exam point of view, and it is also a core industrial subject and it is useful for core industries applications. Okay, power electronics basically mainly divide into two parts. First one is power and second one is electronics. Now we have to understand the introduction. In introduction, what is the importance of power electronics subject? Now in power electronics, power mainly classified into three parts. First is generation, second is transmission, and third one is distribution. At the time of these three generation, transmission and distribution, we have to control this power according to the user requirement, according to the application. For that use, we are using in power electronics these power devices. With the help of these power devices, we can control as well as conditioning or convert this power, electrical power. For that, we are using different type of power devices in power subject that we will understand later on. And this power devices mainly consist of SCR, MOSFETs, SUS, thyristor family devices, etc. etc. Now, the basic importance or basic feature or basic functionality of these power devices are to conversion of this power first, second to control this power, and third is a conditioning of this power. For conversion, basically we are using rectifiers for conversion AC into DC, as well as inverter, chopper. So there are different type of conversion techniques we are going to understand in this subject later on. So second is controlling, to control that power. For example, if we have to control or as per the requirement of application, we have to control the frequencies or amplitude of any power, then we have to use these control parameters. Then conditioning is basically used for what purpose we are required, for what type of power we require at the receiving end. On the basis of that, we conditioning that power. So there are so many examples that AC to AC conversion, AC to DC or DC to AC, based on the devices or based on the circuitries we use in this later on lectures. So this is the flow graph of power electronic subject. Mainly the electrical power that we have to convert or to control are transferred to the control power devices, which are mainly SCR or any thyristor family devices. Then we control according to the requirement. We control according to the requirement of application, that power, and then transfer to the load or the user. Basically, power electronic subject is useful for conversion or controlling conversion or conditioning of electrical power. So in power electronics, we have to learn or we have to study how we can control this power or how we can convert this power with the help of power devices. With the help of these two characteristics, which is first one is static characteristics and second one is dynamic characteristics, we can observe that or analyze that how we control that power, or to analyze the power conversion or to analyze the power controlling, we have to look after static and dynamic characteristics. With the help of the static and dynamic characteristics, we can analyze how we can control or at what percentage we can control or convert this power with the help of this static and dynamics. This is all about the power electronics introduction. which is with the end of this power electronics lecture, introduction lecture, the main focus that the main thing that we have, that power or electronics is basically useful for to control the electrical power with the help of power devices, and to analyze that conversion we have two mainly characteristics. First one is static and second one is dynamic. So thank you.